Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to remove friends from Snapchat silently. So let's head over to our Snapchat application to see that. Once you're there, make sure that you've logged in into your desired account and then head over to the DM section. And here you will find the friends with which you have connection in your Snapchat and you have talked with them or had a conversation with them. You just need to keep tapped on their conversation and this layout will arrive. From here, tap on manage friendship. So here, if you block them on Snapchat, they won't know that you have blocked them. But in some cases, they might know as they won't see your conversation um, on their DM section. So if you just remove friend or tap on remove friend, you can just easily or silently remove them from your friend list, and they will even never know that you have removed them from your friend list. So just tap on remove friend and to confirm it, tap on remove again and your friend from your friend list, that person will be removed. So yeah, this is the easiest way to remove friends from Snapchat silently. Hope this video helped and we'll see you in the next video.